Hi guys, this is my outfit for today. Spring season. And I have this, my bag from Bershka. And it's nice. Naman lang ito power bank and wallet. And let's go. Hi baby, good morning. So today is day 11 of our Project 30. And medyo maulan ngayon. Maulan pala. And malamig din. Plano ko sana mag-jogging ngayon. Kaso, umuulan nga at malamig. So pahinga muna tayo. And rest day naman natin ngayon. So pupunta ako ngayon sa Budapest. Sa city center. And let's go kung ano mga gagawin natin ngayon. Hindi ko lang alam. Grabe yung lamig ngayon. Spring season. Alam nyo ba guys, 3 rest day ko, 3 days, umuulan. And I think after nito, iinit na kasi April, diba? April na next week. Lamig! Ngayon is March 30, 2026. And it's our day 11 of our Project 30. And jogging sana ako kaninang umaga, hindi natuloy kasi umuulan and malamig. Kaya lumabas na lang ako with my friend. And may pupuntahan akong filmmaking. And nag-message sa akin para sa gagawing American movie. And I was the one who take the role for an extra. And yeah, let's go guys. I'm very excited for that project. See ya!